Hi friends, a couple of things. First, so many of you are asking if we are safe in Napa, and I will give you an update. My husband and Lev left at 4 a.m. this morning. The fires were as close as about 300 yards from our home. We're continuing to pray though, but we're all safe and we're fine. But it is devastated, the Napa Valley. We have friends that have lost homes, friends that have lost wineries, all around us. No one's out of harm's way. So we just appreciate the prayers so much. It's been a very emotional 30 hours.
My God is able to save and deliver and heal and restore anything that He wants to. Just ask the man who was thrown on the bones of Elijah if there's anything that He can't do.
The heat. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So we are right about 200 meters from the Silverado Trail, and that fire right there. This is right above Meadowood. So Meadowood would be right to the left. They were just doing the brand new house right there, down below. I ran by it 2 days ago. There's gonna be some explosions there because there's homes, but that's a big fire. It's massive. That's huge. And look, it's traveling obviously up. Right?
Yeah, it's going up right now. Look, from when we.
Oh, it's a house. Dude, insane. The heat. Oh my gosh, you feel the heat?
Yeah.
Holy